Have you ever wondered how people get interested in one another?
Why can water striders walk on water?
Why ethanol is a great example of hydrogen bond?
Let's find out by discussing the three types of intermolecular forces.
London dispersion forces is the weakest IMF among the three. This is a temporal attractive force resulting from elementary dipoles. Let's put it this way. Ashima Restaurant is holding a speed dating event where everyone has the opportunity to get to know another person. So a woman meets her first partner, but there seems to be little or no desire. Time runs out and he leaves. One factor of attraction is smaller mass. Let's say a wealthy man sits across from the woman and the woman becomes much more drawn to him due to his abundance of money, which represents the smaller mass. After that, people continue to mingle in small intervals. Just like molecules in London dispersion, the molecules move around at a fast pace, forming a brief attraction with other molecules before going on and repeating the cycle.
The molecule is considered dipole-dipole when an attraction between absolutely charged region of a polar molecule. These enticing forces between two polar molecules, positive and negative, and when there is only air above the surface, water molecules are drawn to one another and choose to remain together. The tendency of a liquid surfaces to shrink to the smallest possible surface area are known as surface tension. Walking into the water is an example of surface tension. Small insect like the water strider will walk on water because their weight is insufficient to permit the surface. Surface tension is what allows things that are denser than water to float and slide across a water surface without even being partially submerged.
As we all know, hydrogen bonding is the strongest intermolecular force between molecules, and it happens when hydrogen covalently interacts or bonds with any of the three elements, and those elements are fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. In this case, the reason why we have hydrogen bonding with ethanol is because ethanol is a polar molecule, and hydrogen bonding happens when the negative side of an ethanol molecule, the oxygen, is attracted to the positive side of another ethanol molecule, which is the hydrogen. So their attraction forms a hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonds are weak compared to ionic and covalent bonds, but despite being weak, they result in many of the properties associated with ethanol. Now, we have discussed the intermolecular forces and already answered the prior questions before the discussion. And all we have to say now is...
It's fun to learn about IM forces. It's fun to learn about IM forces. It has numerous types
For you and me to know, hydrogen,
London!
dipole.